Alright guys, so we have here the barometer, and this shipboard navigational instrument is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. So our atmosphere is comparable to our body. So our body is normal when we have normal temperature, when we have 36 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this one also measures if we have a normal atmospheric condition or atmospheric pressure. So if our body is normal when we have 36 degrees Celsius, so this one also predicts a normal or good weather condition if we have 1013.2 millibars. Okay, so we are talking about these figures. Okay, this one 1000, 1010, 1020. All right, so the normal atmospheric pressure is at 1013.2 millibars. Okay, so if the atmospheric pressure is less than 1013, then it means that we will have a bad weather or an adverse weather, in other words. But if we have this more than, so we will have a dry fair weather. So opposite to that, when we have 1013 or less, then probably we will have rain, and then we will have storm. Okay, so this equipment on board the ship is mandatory as per SOLAS chapter 5, safety of navigation.